Today's lesson will be on the area and perimeter of trapezium. Can you please turn to page 107 of your textbook? Okay, I'm going to go through what is the area and perimeter of a trapezium. Now, before we can do that, we will define what is a trapezium first. Now, a trapezium is a four-sided figure with only one pair of parallel sides. This will show a trapezium and it has only got one pair of parallel sides. Now, the perimeter of a trapezium is the sum of the lengths of all its sides. That means we will add up all its sides and it will give us the perimeter. Now, as for the area, there's a special formula, and the formula is half times height times the sum of the parallel sides. That means you must take half times this height times this side plus this side together. Okay, so it's half times height times sum of parallel sides. Now, you will find this formula on page 108 of your textbook. Can you write this short form down instead of the formula given on page 108? Write it below the formula that is given on page 108. Okay, so first of all, we identify the two parallel sides, and the height must be perpendicular to the two parallel sides. So area of trapezium is half times height times sum of parallel sides. Okay, now let's go through work example 10 to show you how do we go about looking at the particular formula and applying it. So find the area and perimeter of this trapezium. Now I will go through the perimeter first because it's faster. So perimeter will be all the boundaries. So I take 8 plus 5 plus 2 plus 5. So I'll get 20 cm. So the perimeter is 20 cm. Okay. Now we talk about the area. Now let's take a look at the area. The two parallel sides will be 2 and 8. These two are the parallel sides. Therefore, the height will be 4. So we'll have half times 4 times 8 plus 2. Now note that you have to bracket this up because it is the sum of parallel sides. You don't put the bracket, or else we follow the BODMAS rule, you'll be wrong. Okay, so it's half times 4 times 10, which will give me a 20 cm square. Note, for area we must have a square. For perimeter we just have the unit alone. Okay, so this is how we find the area of a trapezium and the perimeter. Now next, can you look at try 10 on page 108 as well? They show you, not 108, I'm sorry. Look at the trapezium that they have shown you on page 109. Okay, that is try 10. Now they give you this particular trapezium. Okay, they said find the area and perimeter of this trapezium. Now let's find the perimeter first. We add up all the sides. So it will be this, and the answer is 36. Okay, now in order to find the area, we must know the two parallel sides. Note that these two are the parallel sides. So this and this will be the parallel sides. This will be the height. Okay, height is always perpendicular to the parallel sides. So half times height times sum of parallel sides. Half times 12 times 3 plus 8. So you'll get a 66 cm square. Alright, so you'll get a 66 cm square. Can you please copy this down on page 109 below your try 10 so that you can refer to it when you revise your work. Now I'm going to give you an extra example, and you can copy this extra example, okay, on any blank spaces that is found in the textbook. You can find a blank space that is at let me just find it, at page, okay, at page 116. There's a blank space down there. You can copy it down there. Now draw this trapezium. Okay, find the area and perimeter of this trapezium. Area will be half times height times parallel sides. half times height times parallel sides add up together. So these two are the parallel sides, so it's 12 and 36, and the height will be 16, so it's half times 16 times 12 plus 36. Remember to bracket this up. You can have this answer according to your calculator, and when we press it, we will have 384 cm square as the answer for the area. Now for perimeter, we add up all the boundary. So we take 12 plus 20 plus 36 plus 20, you will get 88 cm. Okay, you will get 88 cm. So this extra example, you will copy it on page 116 at the blank space below. Now feel free to pause the video anytime if you need to copy something or you need to refresh. Okay, or if you want to repeat the video, please feel free to do so. Alright, now for your homework, you will do on foolscap or blank paper, those that I've given you in the classroom. Textbook page 114, exercise 9C, number 1A and B. Okay, diagrams are to be drawn. This is the first set of homework. Second set of homework will be the workbook, page 65, number 1A and 1B. So these are the two sets of homework that you'll be doing for me. Okay, so please do your homework, and after that we'll check the answers.